Sorry for the background, it's a bit messy out there, but let's get into the video. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwini Megur, also known as Avi, and I'm a PhD student in the field of biology. So today's video is going to be about what are the different ingredients present in the Bioderma Atoderm Ultra-nourishing moisturizing cream. It is for dry to very dry skin type and also for sensitive skin. I have spoken about this in two of the other videos that I was talking about how to use it with tretinoin and retinol, and it is one of the best products for dry skin type. You can use it in the winter time, and I just wanted to disclose what are the different ingredients present in this formulation and is it worth the hype. It is on my personal favorite list. I have kept it in my winter routine. I use it on my body, I use it on my face, especially when my heels are getting cracked. I use it and then wear socks on it. So it's a nice product in general. I absolutely enjoy using it. So the first ingredient here is water, then there is mineral oil, after that there is rapeseed oil. So the water is just to give it a nice consistency so that it can balance out with the hydration. Then after that there is mineral oil, which acts as an emollient to trap that water and to hydrate the skin. After that there is rapeseed oil, which is also acting as an emollient. Then there is citral alcohol, again an emollient, a fatty alcohol. And I even saw that it has tocopherol, which is vitamin E, and it has galacto-oligosaccharides, fructo-oligosaccharide. These are prebiotics, and prebiotics are actually good for growing the good bacteria on your skin, because when there is high amount of bad bacteria, it can lead to acne and also clogged pores, which can lead to pimple breakout formation. So due to this reason, prebiotics are added in the skincare routine just to lead to growth of good bacteria, which don't actually cause any sort of breakout on the skin, whereas bad bacteria do cause acne or else can lead to formation of a pimple. The best thing about this formulation is that it is without any sort of fragrance. If you see the La Roche-Posay AP plus M or AP plus Lipicare line, it is almost the same ingredient list, and it is like the only thing that is different is that in the La Roche-Posay one there is shea butter, and in this they have the mineral oil. So that's the only difference that I found between these two. Another ingredient that I really like about this cream is the niacinamide, and niacinamide is a very popular ingredient. It helps with the hyperpigmentation, it helps with the fine lines, wrinkles, and also improves the skin condition. But niacinamide over here, I see it's towards the end. I'm pretty sure that it is less than 2%, which is an adequate amount. Usually if you see in the shelf or skincare shelf, in the shops, you might have seen that there is 10% niacinamide. In some cases, I've seen like 100% pure niacinamide powder, which The Ordinary offers. I don't really like it because this is not really good. Niacinamide is having a accurate percentage to be used. It is around 5%, and the least around 3% is used in the research just to see what are its improvement. There are numerous improvements related to niacinamide. It helps with the clogged enlarged pores, and it helps with the fine lines, it helps with the wrinkles, it helps with the hyperpigmentation, improving the overall glow on your face. I just like it the way it is formulated. It doesn't have any sort of huge ingredient list with very complex ingredients. It is very straightforward, and the best part about it is that it will not cause any sort of allergic reaction. Even kids can use it. So just try to be careful around the babies. Just don't use it for the babies, but I think children's above 5 or 3 years old can definitely use it. I really love the ingredient list. It is short, crisp, and very straightforward. No bullshit ingredient. It is just perfect. I recommend this product. I love it. I have been using it. I have introduced it in my different videos. So make sure that you try it out. So that is it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure that you hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, you can write down in my Instagram handle. This is my Instagram handle. And also make sure that you share this video with all your friends so that they can be also aware that how skincare formulation works. So I will see you soon. Take care and bye.